Ever wondered why data analytics is increasingly becoming the backbone of e-commerce? Dive in with us as we unravel this intriguing concept through a real-life example. Meet Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm dedicated to providing its clients with powerful insights in various fields. Blackcoffer recently embarked on a project for a leading retail firm in the USA with a simple goal: to create an informative, eye-catching dashboard for the client's e-commerce website, Symbiome. The task at hand was no small feat. The dashboard needed to provide comprehensive insights into Symbiome's performance, drawing data from diverse sources such as BigQuery database, Google Ads, Google Analytics, and Facebook ads. The client also had specific requirements, which included incorporating cohort retention and cohort revenue charts into the dashboard. So, how did Blackcoffer approach this challenge? They harnessed the power of Google Data Studio to create the dashboard and Google Sheets to link the various data sources. SQL language became their tool of choice to extract data from the BigQuery database. However, as with any complex task, the team faced hurdles. Extracting data from BigQuery database using SQL language proved to be a significant challenge. But with their expertise in data analytics, the Blackcoffer team overcame this obstacle, integrating data from different sources to create a comprehensive, single dashboard that met all the client's requirements. The end result? A visually appealing, informative Symbiome e-commerce dashboard that not only met but exceeded the client's expectations. The dashboard provided a clear view of the website's performance, enabling the client to make data-driven decisions. And the impact didn't end there. The dashboard's introduction led to a notable increase in website traffic and revenue for Symbiome. In conclusion, Blackcoffer's journey with this project provides a clear illustration of the importance and potential of data analytics in e-commerce. By leveraging data, businesses can gain invaluable insights, make informed decisions, and ultimately drive growth and success. This is Blackcoffer, where data meets decision-making. Connect with us and let's explore what data analytics can do for your business.